Have you noticed that some Instagram posts keep people swiping onto the last slide? Those are carousel posts and they often get more engagement than regular posts. In today's video, I will show you how to create a professional Instagram carousel in Canva using only your phone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share Canva tutorials, graphic design tips, and content creation strategies to help you create professional designs. Let's start right on Canva. When you open your Canva homepage like this, you click on this search icon which says what would you like to create. You type Instagram post, then you click on search. Let's click on create blank before we choose the template. Now the next step is to choose a clean template. By clicking on the template at the bottom right here, you click on the template before the element. You search for Instagram carousel, educational carousel, business carousel. You pick a simple template. Don't choose a template that is too busy. A clean design is easier to read. So let me type the educational Instagram carousel post. Okay, right here, let me click on it. Now you can see different templates right here that we can choose from on Canva. And don't forget this, if you haven't subscribed to Canva Pro, make sure that you choose a free template that doesn't have a crown on them. If you are a beginner, you can start with a free template to customize with. As you are going gradually, make sure you subscribe to Canva Pro to make your work easier and faster. If you want to have access to Canva Pro, there is a link in the description for you. You can click on to have access to Canva Pro. Okay, let me click on this template to customize. Then we click on apply all 6 pages. Now we can all see the 6 pages right here. Slide 2, slide 3, 4, 5, and the last, which is call to actions. When you are creating your Instagram carousel post, make sure that you create a strong cover. Make sure that your covers are strong. Like this particular template, how to make with a faceless Instagram post. Let me duplicate it so you can see the before and the after. So I will click on it. For example, I will click on edit. I want to create a strong cover. Click on edit. And I will type 5 Canva tips every beginner should know. 5 Canva tips every beginner should know. This cover is what makes people stop scrolling because the cover is strong. And when you are designing your Instagram carousel post, make sure you use the same color throughout the slide. Use the same font, same spacing, same size throughout the slide. Consistency make your carousel looks professional. Make sure you choose the same font, same color throughout the slide. The slide 1 is the strong cover, and the next slide we talk about the cover we have already put on the cover page. So the last slide which says about the call to actions. So you click on each text and you customize it. The last slide says ready to build yours. Save this post so you don't lose it, which serve as call to actions. And when you are designing your carousel post, add icons or images. You can see right here from the first cover there is image. You can always click on the images and you click on replace. Since you are customizing the template, you click on the replace. You can import the pictures from your gallery or you choose from the Canva stock photos to replace the images with. You add icons, shapes, illustrations, visuals, make your content easier for people to understand. Let me search this. Let me click in this place. Now you can see that I've changed the pictures to the other one, and you look very well because there is one at the background. So I will click on this. I will click on the design itself. I will go to the layers. I will scroll forward to the layers. So I will click on this place. I also click on replace again. I click here. Now can we see now we have customized this template, and this is before and this is after we customize the template. The next step is don't overload each slide. Too much text is not good. Don't overload each slide. People want with large block of text. Keep each slide simple. When you are customizing your template, make sure you keep each slide simple. Don't overload it with the text. And always, like I've said before, always end with call to action. For example, which tip help you the most, or follow for more Canva tutorials. Always give your audience something to do next. And after you've done customizing the template, the last step is for you to download the template right onto your phone. You click the download button at the top right here. You click on download. You can always select the pages from 1 to 7, or you select the particular images of the template that you customize. You select the pages. After that, you click on download. If you find this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notification because I upload new Canva tutorials every week. See you in the next video. Thank you.